So for today's ingredient, we have 4 mangoes, we have 2 pieces of lime, we have a pineapple, because you're going to be making a mango pineapple juice, which is very refreshing, and we are taking advantage of the mango season that is upon us. And let's do this now. So over here, I am sieving out the peels, the pineapple. I'd actually intended to show you this, but unfortunately I don't have that clip, whereby you just take the pineapple peels, you put them in a sufuria, and then you put water. I put the amount of that jug, that's about 1.5 liters to 2 liters. Let it boil, and then you will be left with a very tasteful, flavory mix from that pineapple. Actually, this is what is used to get a lot of pineapple juice made. I've also added 1.5 cup of sugar to this syrup so that I can make my syrup, and this is what I'll be using to mix my juice. So instead of water, I'm going to be using that syrup, as you will see here. Now that our juice is fully blended, we are going to sieve it out so that we can remove the core of the fiber strings that are on the mangoes and the pineapple, and we'll have a very smooth juice. My family loves it that way. If I put the one that is not sieved out, I have actually the kids refusing to take it. So this is a preferred method for me, but you can still leave in the all these other stuff instead. There, it's still delicious. It will have a smoothie like consistency, but me, I want the smooth juice. So on to our next juice. I have a pineapple, I have mint leaves, I have a lime, a piece of lime, and I've cut up all that together, prepared it. I'm using the syrup that remained from the mango juice so that we can use it as our liquid for blending up the pineapples. Amazing. So this is the final product of our juice. It is very nice. The consistency is amazing. The taste is even amazing. It's 8 hours later.